Are you a creator struggling to get your first 1000 subscription on YouTube? Then look no further, as I will be showing you how I got over 1000 subscribers in less than 1 week. In less than 1 week. It works like magic. So come with me. Yeah, I've been on YouTube for quite a long period of time, over 10 years, but not as YouTube. Not as a creator, but just as a user. I only use YouTube. I only use YouTube for search for videos, the kind of videos I want to watch, and other stuff. In fact, I have no idea that one could be a creator on YouTube. One could get monetized and get paid on YouTube. Yeah. So, but sometime last year, I got on YouTube as a creator, right? So, and that came because someone motivated me. Someone showed me certain things that I could do that could actually earn me subscribers in little or no time. And that motivated me to join YouTube as a creator. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly what I did to get my first 1000 subscribers with just no stress. Yes, I promise you, this particular thing works like magic. It works like magic. There are no gainsaying, right? And I'm promising you that it has 98% success rate. So you are not just watching a rubbish video. You're not just wasting your data for a video that will not be productive to your life. So in my next video too, I'll be showing you how you can get your 4000 watch hours in record time, right? You know that YouTube 4000 watch hours expires every 12 months. So if you're there creating videos, not getting views, when it gets to 12 months, you go back and start all over again and all of that. So I'll also be showing you how you will get your 4000 watch hours like in record time, in little or no time, so that you get monetized on YouTube and start getting some small money on YouTube that will actually keep you creating more videos for YouTube. So just before we dive into the video, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Yes. So in this video, our trick for getting 1000 subscription is through YouTube Shorts. Yes, on YouTube there are 3 forms of videos. We have long form videos, we have YouTube Shorts, and then we also have live streams. So every creator on YouTube has to fall into one of these 3 categories of videos. You are either into live stream, YouTube Shorts, or YouTube long videos. So but our trick for getting these 1000 subscribers is through YouTube Shorts. Yes, even if you are going into long form or live stream, you can actually get your subscription through YouTube Shorts. And if you play your cards well, you will still do well, right? Like I said, no part of this video is useless. So do not jump out of the video, because there are things that I'll be mentioning that is very crucial in this video. Okay, one of those things is, number 1, if you are doing this thing that I'm about to show you, make sure you use videos that are in your niche. Don't go and use videos that are out of your niche, so that when you start posting your own content later, your subscribers can actually connect to this content because they are in the same line. But if you use content from another niche on your channel, and later you start creating your own videos, your subscriber will not relate to it. Yes, so this is very, very important. It's a very key note to note. It's something that you must take note. Use videos that are in your niche, right? Okay, so the basic idea is using a video that has millions of views. Yes, in your niche that's YouTube Shorts that has millions of views. It shows that the video is performing well on YouTube and the algorithm is favoring that video. So when you do a green screen, that's what we're doing. you do a green screen of that video and post it on your own channel. So when you do a green screen of that video with the title and yeah, it's very simple. Yes, you can actually do your green screen on your own, because the person that taught me that only told me that okay, I should do green screen, and I figured it out myself. So it's really very simple. Go to YouTube Shorts, you will see green screen. In fact, you can still browse on YouTube how to do green screen of YouTube Shorts, and that will come up for you. So in case I do not show you how to do that here on this video, so do a green screen of a YouTube short that has millions of views, that is in your niche, and then use similar titles and hashtags and every other thing that is similar to that video, and please subscribe to the titling. So post it on your YouTube channel, post it on your own channel as your shorts, and trust me, you're going to start seeing massive results. Not every video will work, but don't give up. Don't do 1, 2, 3 and then you give up. Yes, there are videos that will pick up, others will not pick up immediately, others will pick up almost immediately. But I tell you, in a week time, in fact less than 7 days, you are going to testify. Yes, you will testify, because that works for me like magic. You just sit down and watch how subscribers will be bubbling up. Yes, subscribing to your channel like like magic. So remember, use videos that are in your niche, that has millions of views, that are doing really well. So thank you for stopping by, and I hope this will help you. Yes, this will help you, because this is the beginning. Yes, you are just starting, you need subscribers. I tell you, if you do this thing that I told you, yes, you are going to have 1,000 subscribers in little or no time. And please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe if you have not, because in my subsequent videos I will be showing you how you can be getting views on your channel. Yes, I will show you how you customize your channel to be getting views, and how you can get your 4,000 watch hours easily. Yes, this is a very important, so that you get yourself monetized on YouTube in record time, because it's when you get monetized that you can be motivated to be creating more content on YouTube. So thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Until I see you next time, bye.